FixGuard Polyester Composite Strap. Tension instructions. Accessories. Cut the roll seal. Wrap the strap around the cargo. Fold the first end of the strap and insert it from up to fix into one side of the wire buckle. Fold the other end and fix it from below into the other side of the wire buckle. Stretch the lower strap down to make it a little tight. Hold down the tensioner's upper handle and place the first strap end below the corner of the tensioner, then release the upper handle. The other strap end passes through the cutter and the contraction winches. Fasten the strap by retracting the tensioner until the strap is well tightened. Press down the handle to cut the strap. Press and hold down, then move it away. It is securely fastened and tightly bound. FixGuard Polyester Composite Strap is strong and tear-resistant, sturdy and durable for heavy-duty use. FixGuard Polyester Composite Strap for secure fastening.
TOPSORB. Dry quality.